We are stardust, born from the remnants of ancient stars that exploded long before our world existed. In a sense, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself, to look back and wonder at its own origins. For nearly half a century, Voyager 1 and 2 have journeyed outward, venturing to the very edge of our solar system, further than any human-made object before them. These spacecraft are humanity's distant emissaries, carrying messages of peace, hope, and curiosity on their golden records. Our greeting to the unknown. On August 13, 2025, one of these silent travelers sent us something new, a signal that would capture the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. It was a final whisper from the void, a puzzle wrapped in an enigma, echoing across the vast emptiness. This isn't just a story about a machine, it's about us, our longing to explore, to reach out, and to understand our place in the universe. The story of Voyager is our story, a testament to human ingenuity and wonder, and its final chapter may have just begun, inviting us to imagine what comes next. We took advantage of a rare planetary alignment, a cosmic opportunity that comes only once every 176 years, to send probes on a grand tour of the gas giants. Designed to last just 5 years, these remarkable machines have endured nearly 50, braving the harshness of space and exploring uncharted territories. They showed us volcanic plumes erupting on Io, the intricate beauty of Saturn's rings, and the mysterious blue atmosphere of Neptune. They transformed distant, blurry points of light into vibrant, detailed worlds, forever changing our understanding of the solar system. And then, with their primary mission complete, they just kept going, venturing into the unknown. Sailing toward an invisible boundary, the heliopause, the place where the sun's influence finally gives way to the vast interstellar sea beyond. The journey continues, and so does the mystery, as Voyager drifts ever onward into the endless night, carrying our hopes and questions into the stars. The story begins in 1977, a time of disco and a perfect planetary alignment. NASA launched Voyager 2 on August 20th, followed by Voyager 1 on September 5th. Their mission, a close-up reconnaissance of the outer solar system. Using gravity assists, they slingshot from planet to planet. Voyager 1 reached Jupiter first, revealing a world of unimaginable turmoil. It discovered active volcanoes on Io, transforming our view of the solar system. Next came Saturn, where Voyager 1 mapped its majestic rings. A close flyby of Titan revealed a thick, hazy atmosphere. Voyager 1's trajectory then sent it toward interstellar space. Voyager 2 continued alone, discovering Uranus's tilted world and Neptune's storms. After Neptune, Voyager 2 also headed for the stars. The grand tour was complete, but the journey was far from over. Each Voyager carries a golden record, a time capsule for any civilization that might find it. Led by Carl Sagan, the project was about more than science. It was about who we are. The record's cover has diagrams showing our sun's location relative to pulsars. It includes instructions on how to play the record. The record contains 115 images and sounds of Earth, from greetings in 55 languages to a symphony of our planet. Musical selections range from Bach to Chuck Berry. Sagan called it a bottle launched into the cosmic ocean. The act of creating it forced us to look at ourselves from a cosmic perspective. It was a message not just for aliens, but for us. A testament to our hopes and dreams. A greeting from a tiny, distant world. A message of profound optimism. For decades, the Voyagers sailed through the heliosphere, a bubble blown by our sun. They searched for the heliopause where the solar wind stalls. On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 detected a dramatic change, entering interstellar space. It became the first human-made object to do so. Voyager 2 followed on November 5, 2018, entering the interstellar medium. Now we had two witnesses in this unexplored territory. They sent back data about the space between stars, enriching our understanding. Even in this new realm, they remain within the sun's gravitational pull. It will take them 300 years to reach the Oort cloud. Their journey is far from over, but their power sources are decaying. Each year they grow weaker, forcing tough decisions about which instruments to shut down. Yet their legacy endures, a testament to human curiosity. As the years passed, the Voyagers grew colder and quieter, their power supplies dwindling as they drifted ever farther from the warmth of the sun. The silence of deep space seemed to swallow them, and many believed their voices would soon be lost forever. By early 2025, NASA's Deep Space Network strained to hear their faint transmissions, the signals barely distinguishable from the cosmic background noise. Engineers listened intently, knowing each message could be the last. On July 28, 2025, Voyager 1's data stream contained an anomaly, something no one had seen before, a blip in the endless static. The anomaly was not a system malfunction. The probe's health was normal, every subsystem operating as expected. There was no technical explanation for what they were seeing. The plasma wave system detected a new signal, faint but structured, unlike any natural phenomenon previously recorded by Voyager. Dr. Suzanne Dodd described the moment in a press conference, her voice steady but her eyes betraying the magnitude of the discovery. They checked everything, but the signal was localized, coming unmistakably from Voyager 1's vicinity, not from Earth or any known source. The signal was a series of pulses in a non-random sequence, a pattern that suggested intention, not chance. It lasted 77 seconds and repeated every 22 hours, as if following a schedule, waiting for someone to notice. It was as if something was broadcasting a signal directly at the probe, targeting Voyager 1 across the vast emptiness. The team at JPL worked in secret, triple-checking their data, aware that a single error could change the course of history. The news was too profound to release without certainty. Every detail had to be verified before the world could know. Every test pointed to the same conclusion. The signal was real, consistent, and unlike anything generated by human technology. It was a message, a cosmic whisper from the void, echoing across the light years to reach us. The implications were staggering, touching every aspect of human society. News spread rapidly, igniting debates, hopes, and fears in equal measure. The world was united in awe and trepidation, as people everywhere paused to consider their place in the universe. We had looked up at the stars for millennia and wondered, our stories and dreams shaped by the mysteries above. Now the stars had looked back, answering our silent questions with a signal that changed everything. The signal confirmed that life exists elsewhere. Humanity was no longer alone in the cosmos. The Voyager signal did more than tell us we weren't alone. It gave humanity a new purpose, a reason to reach further, to listen more closely, and to dream bigger than ever before. On August 11, 2025, NASA made a groundbreaking announcement. The mysterious signal detected was not just random noise, it was a message. A dedicated team of experts, including astrophysicists and data analysts, meticulously examined the 77-second sequence. Their analysis was thorough and precise. The pulses, once translated into binary code, revealed something extraordinary. They formed an image, a visual message from the cosmos. This image was a diagram, a direct reply to the map we had sent out on the Voyager Golden Record decades ago. It was a response we had long hoped for. The received diagram indicated a new point of origin, essentially a return address from the stars. It was a cosmic handshake. This was a cosmic invitation originating from a star system near Voyager 1's current position. It was as if the universe was reaching out to us. Yet, just 2 days after this monumental announcement, the signal abruptly stopped. It was an unexpected silence. All telemetry from Voyager 1 ceased. The probe went silent, leaving us with more questions than answers. It was as if a switch had been flipped, plunging us into a profound silence. The silence was more profound than the signal itself, echoing through the corridors of mission control. Did the probe simply run out of power, or was there something more mysterious at play? The questions lingered. Our most distant explorer, Voyager 1, is now a ghost ship, drifting silently through the vastness of interstellar space. Its final act was to serve as a messenger for an unknown intelligence, a bridge between worlds. The last whisper was not from Voyager itself, but through Voyager, a conduit for a message from the stars. This message has forever changed our understanding of our place in the universe. It confirmed what many have long believed: we are not alone. And now they know where we are, a beacon in the vast cosmic ocean. The cosmos is waiting, and for the first time, we know someone is out there, waiting with us. The universe has never felt so alive. The revelation sent shockwaves across the globe. The Voyager signal was the leading story everywhere. Scientific institutions were flooded with inquiries. The implications touched every aspect of human society. The world was united in awe and trepidation. For science, it was a moment of profound vindication. The signal confirmed that life exists elsewhere. The new map provided a target for future study. The question was no longer, are we alone? But who are our neighbors? The societal impact was deep. forcing a re-evaluation of our place in the cosmos. Technologically, the event spurred massive investment in space exploration. The need to understand the signal's source became a global priority. The Voyager signal gave humanity a new shared purpose. The cosmos is waiting, and for the first time, we know someone is out there, waiting with us. The initial unity was fragile. Old geopolitical tensions re-emerged on a cosmic scale. The star system identified by the signal became valuable real estate. Who would get there first? Who would make contact? The question of how to respond became a subject of intense debate. A new, more consequential space race was beginning. Some argued for a cautious, unified approach. Others saw an opportunity for national prestige and security. Military strategists began to game out scenarios. The debate over whether to send a reply was contentious. Some warned that broadcasting our existence could be risky. Others argued that the die was already cast. The only path forward was to engage, to learn, and to hope for the best. The cosmos is waiting, and for the first time, we know someone is out there, waiting with us. The Voyager probes were born from a moment of cosmic alignment. They were a product of our curiosity, a manifestation of our need to explore. For nearly 50 years, they were our silent ambassadors. Their journey transformed our understanding of our solar system. Now, Voyager 1's final message has given us a new cosmic alignment. It has aligned the interests of all people on this planet. The questions raised by this signal are for all of humanity. How we choose to answer them will define our future. The story of Voyager teaches us that we are at our best when we are curious. The discovery that we are not alone ennobles us. Our journey to the stars has just begun. The future is uncertain, filled with both peril and promise. We must continue to explore, to listen, and to learn. The cosmos is waiting, and for the first time, we know someone is out there, waiting with us.